Let me introduce you to the latest flagship in 2025, the OnePlus 13. Now, I'm not even going to lie to you. OnePlus is by far my favorite phone brand when it comes to raw power and performance. I mean, I did a whole video about it and no phone comes even close. Now, they did not just stop at a flagship, they also gave us a mid-ranger, the OnePlus 13R that is going for only 76 to 87,000 Kenyan shillings. Now, all this aside, let's unbox the OnePlus 13 and see what it comes with. And yeah, that's about it. So down in the comment section, tell me which phones you want me to compare the OnePlus 13 with. But sidhani zitaishinda, but hey, let's see.